What is the main festival of Sikhs? Baisakhi. How many countries are members of the UN Security Council? 15 members. On which day Hindi Day is celebrated? September 14th. What is the name of India's research center in the North Pole? Himadri. Where is the Qutub Minar located? Delhi, India. Who gave the slogan, "Return to the Vedas"? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Who is the author of the book The Story of My Experiments with Truth? Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the India's highest award in cinema? Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Who is the father of the computer? Charles Babbage. Which is the first Indian satellite? Aryabhata. Which game is associated with the Durand Cup? Football. Who has built Grand Trunk Road? Sher Shah Suri. What is the chemical name of ordinary salt? Sodium chloride, NaCl. Which is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Which is the first film in India? Raja Harishchandra. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Liver. Which is the first Indian state made on the basis of language? Andhra Pradesh. Who discovered vitamins? Casimir Funk. Which is the nearest planet to the Earth? Venus. Which is the world's first artificial satellite? Sputnik 1. What is the percentage of water on the Earth's surface? 71%. Who was the president of the first Lok Sabha? Ganesh Vasudev Mawalankar. The dance of Bharatnatyam is associated with which state? Tamil Nadu. Who is Gandhiji's political guru? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who was the first Indian to cross the English Channel? Mihir Sen.